Your parents might have told you, money is the root of all evil. Money doesn't grow on trees. Or even, money doesn't matter. Wrong on all counts. Money is the root of all evil. A lot of people might become corrupt in the pursuit of many forms of power, including money, but that doesn't mean that you or I have to. It is the human heart that is at the root of all good and evil in the world. That's like when someone tells you that you will fail just because they did. Haters gonna hate. Money does not grow on trees. Additionally, the Sims have proven that money does, in fact, grow on trees. And even if they hadn't, paper is usually made out of wood. Money doesn't matter. Do you want the power to care for your parents when they get way too old and decrepit? Maybe you think that affordable housing is in a crisis, so you want to make a low-rent, cost-effective apartment complex on the outskirts of the city you live in. Well, being able to take on the living expenses or have a nurse periodically visit with your parents will take money. Building that apartment complex and keeping it updated, even for no profit, will cost money. The ability to retire is also dependent on money. How much do you need to retire? That's a different video, but it's probably less than you think. Do you think that cutie in the club doesn't care about money? Probably not directly, that would be really bad. Don't talk to her. But if you are pulling in a lot of cash, your confidence will skyrocket. You'll be able to afford that gym membership, and it will also be a lot easier to eat healthy. Not because healthy food is expensive exactly, but you could get a meal prep service to make all this healthy food for you instead of taking the time to cook. Now your healthy eating is the easy way out. This makes everything in your life better. All because money does matter. And that means that your credit score matters, because it can make or save you money based on debt. And both are important because a penny saved is a penny earned. First, how will your credit score save you money? Second, how will your credit score make you money? Your credit score will save you money because, unless you were born rich or the most absurdly frugal of mankind, you will almost inevitably take on some debt at some point. And the interest rate on your debt will very likely be dictated by your credit score. And if you need or want that debt as an option, then you really need to get your credit score up. That could be student loans, a personal loan to start your own business, a car payment so that you don't have to fix something on that junker every other week, or real estate financing. In all cases, debt is just short of inevitable. And while I recommend that we strive to avoid debt, there are cases where it will make you money. Which leads me to that second point. Debt can be profitable, even if you aren't a bank. So, you want to use debt to make money. While I can't tell you that a bachelor's degree in underwater basket weaving won't have you working at Starbucks, a civil engineering degree will probably pay better than the retail job that you had right after high school. Therefore, student loans are indirectly productive debt. Not to knock Starbucks though. They have a pretty strong professional development plan for their employees, which is why I like the stock S-Bucks. You can use the links down below to buy S-Bucks and own a little piece of every mocha latte and puppuccino before they hand it over to the good customers. Even more so is the case of both primary and secondary financing against real estate. Your mortgage. That means your mortgage. It makes your house cheaper to achieve full ownership of your property over the lifetime of the loan. The month to month will also be cheaper, making your budget easier, increasing savings while you live there, and also improving your cash flow if you rent that property out later. All of which then give you more money to invest that can then get you more money. Repeat indefinitely until you have all the money. Without good credit, you will be stuck renting instead of buying. And if it's bad enough, you might have a hard time renting because no investor will trust you financially. So, what determines your credit score? That's one of my next videos, so subscribe and hit the notification bell to find out when it comes out. But I'll also try to link it at the end of this video once it's published. You only have one life to live. Grow it relentlessly.